What up, gang? It's your girl Dominique, and we are back with another video. So y'all want to do my first unboxing with you guys. Just something slight. Got a little Amazon, got a little Walmart. You know, we was in there doing our thing. So if you like what you are seeing, stay tuned. Oh, and then if you want to see some of my content, or just like look at my cute face or my family face, then please, you can subscribe. Become a lifetime DC baby. Oh, y'all, and I think I might be revamping. You know, I might do something a little different. So we gonna see. But stay tuned.
I'm recording now.
Do you want recording? So if y'all know, like, I be struggling when it comes to buying myself stuff because I just be feeling like I got other stuff to take care of. I have other priorities, so I just don't never buy stuff. But when I buy stuff for myself, I get super excited because it's like, this is stuff I actually need, which it should get better quality. So y'all will be seeing me unbox a lot more stuff coming soon. We just dropped some money on some stuff earlier today, so you're gonna see that. It's gonna take a little while to get here. But I did order from Amazon, as you can see.
Mom, what was that? Mommy.
Amazon, we're gonna open this side.
Open it?
We're gonna open this side.
Open it.
And I'll show y'all how it looks when I unbox it.
It's a charger.
So y'all, I got my microphone.
Wow! You have
Yeah, I got the microphone. So this should help with my soundproof sound quality. You know,
when you make videos.
Yeah, when I make videos, so it doesn't sound so muffled on the phone, or because that's how I record it on my phone. So we're gonna test this out and we're gonna give it a review. It's called the Power DY's Words Can Change Lives, and it's a 3.5 jack, 6.5 foot micro cord. Oh, well, that's actually pretty long. I was hoping it was gonna be long, and it got a rotating clip on it, so that's really good. So when I try this out, y'all will see. That's the first item. Then we have, ouch.
We need help.
Oh. Then we have the ring light.
To hold it up.
Yes.
Mommy, that's what Papa has.
Papa has one of these? Tell Papa gonna bust them up.
It was big.
Pop, if you watching this video, we're gonna bust you up because you ain't tell nobody you had a ring light. So,
but it was like, the line was like this long.
Yeah, it was like that long. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture. I'll insert a picture of the little tripod we was using before.
Oh yeah, so you can hold it
small. So I'm gonna show y'all a picture of that.
Move.
And then last but not least,
move. Side back.
What?
UV size. They didn't include the picture on the box, but it's alright. So now we're just gonna get started. I guess we'll open this one first since it's here.
Oh yeah, because it got there.
The clip here.
The close in.
And the clip here.
And I got the cosign. So I'm going to talk, Mommy. And Mommy, when you make videos and you talk on a speaker, and you like, yes.
Y'all, this is my tripod. So look, do y'all ever be popping these bubbles? Cause I'm like,
can I pop these bubbles? I just popped one.
you did.
I like popping these. Sometimes Kaale, she wants
to. Let me take it out so you can pop the bubbles.
Mommy,
Sometimes Kaale what?
Sometimes Kaale wants to pop them, and then sometimes we be sharing.
You for real?
We be sharing. At Papa's house and Gigi's house.
I gotta find my scissors.
It's right there, Mama.
So this is my
Do you want to put it all the way down, Mom?
Really, bro?
Right? Like,
I'm talking about you. What you need scissors for?
Cause it was a tight fit. So
Like,
it comes with the mount for whatever you're using, iPhone.
Oh
That's why I
yeah,
got
to hold it up.
It's a tripod set / selfie stick. So it gets rather long, which I'm super excited because when y'all see this one that I was using, y'all can be like, bruh, the struggle. So I mean, hey. But this is the tripod piece, the mount for the on top of the tripod to mount your cellular device. And y'all, she bougie, so she got a clicker. So when I'm ready to record and I don't want to bring the phone to my face, push the button and then bring her back out, this is what this is for. And if y'all can see it, it's for, they have an Android button and an iOS button. So it's user friendly. So they're not just saying the iPhone is the best. Forget all your Androids. But that's what they're saying. They try to include y'all. Okay. Then of course you got another mount, and this is for if you have an actual camera, which we will be getting one of those soon. Bae don't know, like, if he get a camera for Christmas, he just might as well just say.
He said he wants some chicken.
So he just gonna have to fill it. But this is the mount for your camera.
Yep.
Your vlogging camera.
Mama.
What?
Oh yeah.
This bad boy right here is the tripod. Oh, she's intense.
Yep.
This is a girl.
Mommy?
I'm a tripod baby.
Mommy. Pop-Pop's line was like this all the way along to the ground.
For real.
It's like he had a big circle and I had one of those.
For real.
It was little. Hers was little.
It was.
Pop-Pop
So
was
as wide as it goes.
Pop-Pop was big.
For real.
Like big. Mama, did you rip this?
Yes, it starts at 20.1 inches, and it can go all the way up to 67.3 inches. And this is the little tiny picture right here. And it's showing you on the front that it does do it's a selfie stick as well as a tripod. So it was like, I have to get it. Why not? So I like it. Yeah, camera mount, phone mount. They even have like a camcorder mount. That's it. So that's it for this one. We'll put you over here. Huh? Oh, I'm coming. So we'll close this one up. Ooh, yeah. Oh, she's 30. Ooh, she's 30. Now we're gonna hit this ring light.
Mama, you okay? But Daddy gotta go boo-boo.
And she put your business all the way out there.
Be quiet, bro. That's what. Your mouth just be going.
So this is the ring light. It has a 360 lighting, selfie remote control, USB power supply, and adjustable brightness.
She look like Puma, don't she?
I look like who? Did you say Pumbaa?
No,
Did you say Pumbaa?
he said nothing.
Did you say Pumbaa? Bro, I'm Nala. Dang, ain't you trying to... What's up? Why you weak for?
You old, cuz. You Sarabi. You ain't no Nala. You old, cuz. That's Nala. You Sarabi, cuz. Sarabi. Face.
Mommy, it was like that big.
So this is the ring light. She's nice and petite.
Mommy,
Kind of
It was
small.
like-
She is right. But this
We'll
one,
get you a big one.
Yeah, we will. We shall. This one, I think it was like...
That's what
I
this
think
is
I paid
for
like
here.
$35 for it. But I'll insert a picture and the prices in the links down below if you like. It is not affiliated, so I won't get any money for it. You can just order for yourself. Of course, it comes with all of the parts. This is the Bluetooth button.
Mommy, think you can
Mouse.
a picture?
I'm not even gonna lie and say I know what this is. Or this. Or this. So, yeah, we'll go to the next item that's in this box. The base of the item. which is this right here. I'm listening to Pooch.
They say you can do it on a picture, on the iPad, on your phone, on the computer, or on the TV.
Baby, just plug it up to Azaria's face.
No, that's rude.
So is your neck. Rude.
The tripod.
I told you stop. I'm gonna pop you.
Hey.
Don't say nothing. She gonna learn the hard way. Keep you walking up on me, hitting me. You gonna be hollering in a minute.
The tripod base or the ring light base.
There you go. Cause she was struggling. What was this? Spinderella?
What?
Oh, so this is the base for the ring light. Of course, she'll go up here. Bada boom, bada bing. The tripod piece will go, or the mount piece will go in the middle.
That's what you said in the car, Mommy.
And right, but oh, well, I go to Burger King today, and dude forgot my fries. He was talking about, here you go, beautiful. This is just for you. Made special delivery. I said, okay, thank you. He was like, and this is your last bag. Bada boom, bada bing. I pulled off Pooch for me. He said, ha ha, bada boom, bada bing. I said, yeah, I'm a bada boom, bada bing him if he ain't got my food right. And he ain't have my fries. I was so mad. But the sandwich is bomb though.
So which Burger King you went to, Kaale? What
The
he
one
called
down
you?
the street
He
from
called
our
you
house.
beautiful.
Oh, yeah,
What he look?
Get out.
What he look
You know
like?
what? Honestly, I don't know if he was like, if he was.
Mommy.
No, just wondering if he was maybe like a little sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was sweet.
So I'll insert a picture of when, or I'll probably keep recording while I'm putting the stuff
And
together.
Mommy, you said that when the girl
We'll
didn't
go
give
from
me.
there.
Mommy. Cookie soda, babe. Oh, you want to put your phone on it? Why is it you put something up there?
Okay, so I can put it right here, do hand-free stuff, and just talk to you like this, blah, 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 blah. Or I can put y'all all the way to the top.
Oh yeah, so it can be way better, Mommy.
Yeah. So we hike. So this will be good for,
Hanse.
girl, you so extra.
Mama used to say that.
My nose ring.
Mama, you used to say that.
Here comes Pookie Monster.
Bro, get that camera off me, bro. Why y'all so extra, my nigga?
What? They heard you. You ain't never stopped the phone from recording.
You a lie, I did press stop.
Catmaster Flex.
No, ain't no Catmaster Flex. I stopped the end, hit the button, so that means your daughter started recording.
Oh, well, she not here.
And y'all, comment down below if you have
Who told you to get up in my video? Goodbye.
Mama! Comment down below if you have one of these iPods. Or one of these. Mommy, maybe we just put it off the top. Because I'm still at the bottom. Y'all, comment down below if you have one of these iPhones.
It's an iPhone.
I mean, iPod. Dad knows everything. I don't.
Where does this plug into?
Mommy, you're supposed to turn on the light and plug it in.
I need a one piece though.
Mommy?
I gotta have one piece.
What piece?
Like a
And Mommy,
one piece.
look, Mommy. This button, excuse me, Mommy. This button says to turn it off. Papa has one of these to turn it on. I know everything.
Not Corona.
And when Daddy wants to get in it, he can get in it anytime. Yeah.
That's up.
Mama, where's your phone? Oh, okay. I'm like,
Kill my little nigga.
y'all, I'm texting. Let me plug it in. There we go.
Oh no, I need it first. Thank you. Oh, she cute. She come in a little pouch. Ow.
Mama.
Wait, move out the way. Oh, bro, that's annoying. Stop that. It's not even your stuff. You always want to take over something. Sit down. Thank you.
It comes in this little baggie saying
Cute.
words can change life, record them perfectly. Easy vlogging. So when you open the bag, you get a cord, of course. This is what I need right here, the microphone. And of course, it doesn't come with the adapter piece for your iPhone. So I already have one. We're gonna stick this in here. And we'll put this on my shirt right here. It's all right. She does have a clip. And it, it is detachable.
Is it tiny?
Huh?
I thought it was big, Mommy.
I'm gonna clip it to my shirt right here. And me, cause I mean, why not? Oh, and she got a little volume button on the side. She cute. So that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully, I can change the background. Like, he legit just sat there and...
What?
He legit just sat there. I just put my mic on, y'all. He just legit sat there and FaceTime me so he could end my live, in my vlog. But yeah, y'all. Thank you for...
Can I see your speaker, Mommy?
It's right here.
I don't see it.
Girl, huh? That you just FaceTime me in the vlog? What are you talking about?
Can I see it?
It even comes with the... It's right here. It even comes with an extra cord and coming out the bag, extra cord and extra cord and microphone cover. So y'all, I hope that you can hear the difference in me talking to you. Oh, you know what I can do now? ASMRs. We're going to try it out, huh? We're going to try it out and see y'all because I'm excited. But thank y'all for tuning into my video because somebody won't let me be great. Won't let me be great. You see I'm over here recording a video. But thank y'all for tuning into the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more. And don't forget, there will be some more unboxings coming to you soon. Don't you hit me with that.
Bro, don't make it seem like I'm abusive on your thing, bro.
Chill out. Ain't nobody say you was abusive. They saw when you was trying to beat me up. So I wanted to insert a few clips of me using the tripod and the ring light just so y'all can see how it works, see what it looks like. Y'all, I am in love, okay? In love. It is the best tripod. It was the best investment I could have done for myself, because honey, that ring light is everything. That tripod is amazing. So I'm gonna insert it here soon, somewhere right here.
I got a phone. My mommy got a phone, and yeah, I'm down there. And my mommy got some games on my iPad. And she be watching YouTube. I be watching YouTube too. And I be like, Mommy, can I watching your iPad? She like,
no.
And then when she gets it, she start and then she start giving the iPad to me.
That's all you want to say?
Oh, let me say all
Ouch.
this stuff.
No. No.
Mama, you gave me a kiss. Mama, stop tickling
Now
me.
get down.
Leave him alone.
How you gonna tell me to leave you alone? You on top of me.
I can't see.
Hey, get my microphone off the floor.
Mama, can you use the chair?
And that will be it. So I showed y'all all the settings of the light.
Can I talk again?
Talk to what? I'm ending the video. Thanks for tuning in.
No.